This is the machine learning part of Bhoomi automating agriculture. The machine learning part is written in a simple yet elegant algorithm that is hierarchical clustering analysis. The data which is used in the clustering analysis is the one that is procured from the IoT. And as of now, for the prototype phase, we are using the data from data.gov.in, an open source data provider, which gives the data based on research and development. So I've imported the necessary libraries. As you can see, this is the data, and this is the exact data we are going to collect through the sensors. And the label contains the crops that are like the major crops in India. Based on the crop, we can directly predict the necessary parameters that are required for it to grow in an optimum level. For example, these are the statistics required for rice, whereas for cotton, the statistics change. Similarly, based on the parametric conditions, what would be the best crop that can be grown in that given condition? For example, for a given temperature, rice, black gram, and banana, each and every crop requires a different temperature to grow, and this predicts the exact optimum temperature for this particular crop to grow. And additional to that, we have clustered crops based on the parameters. For example, humidity. We have classified the crops into groups which require greater than average humidity and less than average humidity. Just not humidity, any parameter that can be retrieved through the IoT or the data available can be interacted with this particular code block. So then analyzing the agro parameters is like this helps in distributing the agricultural parameters and how much percentage of each parameter such as nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, etc. are. After that, finding patterns in the data. So we are classifying data into the crops which require what amount of parameter in each situation, like which crop requires high ratio of nitrogen, which requires high ratio of phosphorus, and etc. And we have also classified the crops into the ones which require low ranges of the given parameters. And we have also considered the seasonal growth. Then I've considered the clustering of similar crops to analyze it better. The Albuquerque. And here is the k-means algorithm to perform the clustering analysis. And this is the dendrogram plot and the final hierarchical model on the dataset. And here is the part which visualizes the clusters. And this is the hard clustering. And this is the visualization of hidden patterns. Like this helps to visualize impact of different condition on each crop at each parameter. And the final part is the predictive modeling. And here we have calculated the XGB scores. And in the end, we can directly access the real-time predictions for this given dataset. For example, if we can just mess around with this given parameters, I increase it to 10 and probably change this. So this is how the machine learning part of Bhoomi, the clustering analysis works. Thank you.